March, a dramatic retelling of India's independence, the call for Purna Swaraj. On 31st December 1929, at Lahore, the Indian National Congress raised the tricolour flag of India. On 26th January 1930, Gandhi, Nehru and their followers declared Purna Swaraj, complete self-rule. Purna Swaraj! Purna Swaraj! Purna Swaraj! Purna Swaraj! We must unite and protest against the British rule. What we can do? We will disobey, no following unjust laws. We call this movement Civil Disobedience Movement.
Zamindari system, grazing taxes, stamp duties, customs.
These taxes are crushing us. And now, salt tax.
Salt! Salt! Salt!
Even the poorest need salt. How can they pay tax on it? They barely earn enough to feed their children. We must raise our voice together.
If the whole nation protests, it will shake the British rule. Let's use weapons.
No! Our strength lies in non-violence. Are you with me?
Yes! Purna Swaraj! Civil disobedience! Long live revolution!
We call this movement Satyagraha. April 6, 1930, 78 marchers began the 387-kilometer journey from Sabarmati to Dandi.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम हो। पर था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान रे। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे
This march shall shake the British Empire. Purna Swaraj!
Purna Swaraj! Purna
We need salt as we need air and water. The salt comes from the Indian Ocean. Let every Indian claim it as his right. Document the protest. We must send the telegraph. I'm on it.
You won't get away!
The world will know by hook or crook. With inch of salt, we shall shake an empire. I seek the world's sympathy in this battle of right versus might. The spirit of rebellion. The Dandi March sparked rebellion across India. People refused unfair taxes. Farmers and villagers stood up and were jailed. When Miller's report reached 1,300 newspapers, Nehru quoted and said the Salt March was the beginning of the mass civil disobedience. 1942, the Cripps mission failed. Indian leaders rejected compromise. On August 8, 1942, the Quit India movement was launched. By August 15, 1947, 550 princely states united.
Honored to be the first Governor General of Free India.
Jawaharlal Nehru becomes the first Prime Minister. Justice and equality. India's future lies in unity and discipline.
At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will rise in freedom and justice.
Of the people, for the people, by